China and Pakistan are iron brothers, share all-weather friendship and all-dimensional cooperation. The Chinese government immediately announced 100 million yuan of emergency humanitarian assistance, including 25,000 tons and other materials urgently needed. 3,000 tons delivered by China Air Force are one of the first batch of material Pakistan reached. Considering the huge losses, the Chinese government provided an additional 300 million yuan. In conclusion, the total amount is 400 million yuan, ranking first in the world. I want to use 4 characteristics: promptness, continuity, smoothness, and precision. All the relief materials were fully prepared within 1 month. And Sitka worked with the Civil Aviation Department to increase 3 flights due to Pakistan's urgent need. From the arrival of the first batch to the delivery of all materials, the assistance lasted for 1 month. Sitka connected Guangxi to send a medical team to carry out medical rescue and guidance, as well as disaster assessment team organized by the Ministry of Emergency Management. These 2 teams will go to Pakistan on time. In addition, China appeals to the international community to provide more helps and work with relevant organizations to use the Global Development and Sound-to-Sound Cooperation Fund to provide more support. No matter how the international situation changes, Chinese government and people is always standing firmly with the Pakistani government and the people. I believe with the help of China and the international community, Pakistan will surely overcome this disaster and rebuild the homeland as early as possible.